almost man bana liya tha. It almost seemed like they'd made up their mind that the man had to die. Now this raises some very, very serious questions about the manner in which the police have gone about staging this encounter, and I want to take you through these questions. It will also set the context for our debate, and we have a very very important panel joining us to talk about the questions that this encounter killing raises. First, why didn't the police yesterday take transit remand of Vikas Dubey? The Madhya Pradesh police literally gifted Dubey to the Uttar Pradesh police. They didn't take him before a magistrate. They didn't take judicial remand. Isn't that very obvious and very basic? What was the purpose? Otherwise, it would have been a judicial killing. It's not a judicial killing. They're showing it as an encounter, but for all practical purposes, it is a judicial killing because Shivraj Singh Chauhan kept saying it's an arrest, and he was congratulating the MP police for arresting him. Question number 2. If Vikas Dubey surrendered in Ujjain, then why did he suddenly try and run, that too when he got back to Kanpur? All through, he's trying to get away from the UP police. When he goes back to Kanpur, suddenly in the morning at 7 o'clock, he wants to run. Question number 3 now. Was Vikas Dubey handcuffed? And if, just imagine this, if the man is handcuffed, how does he open his handcuff, take out a pistol from the police? I mean, the police is just sitting there, they'll give him the pistol. If the man is handcuffed, how does he get hold of a pistol from the police? The next question. How did Dubey escape unhurt if the vehicle overturned? First and foremost, he is in a Tata Safari. We see that at that toll plaza. Somehow, somewhere they stop, which I don't think anybody would do because you won't want to stop with a gangster, but he's now in a Mahindra TUV. And there the vehicle now turns turtle. Somehow Dubey is fine, he gets out of it in full filmy style and he's running. Beat that. Question number 5. If Dubey was running away, which is now, think of this again, now the police is saying that he got hold of our pistol and he started running into the field. Now if the man is running away this way, you know, he would get shot in the back. Instead, he's shot in the chest. How does that make any sense at all? Question number 6. Why were media vehicles stopped just 4 kilometers ahead of where this encounter was carried out? They said that, you know, we had vehicles following. Suddenly, you don't want any vehicles to come. You say that there is corona in the air. You want to check those vehicles. You start checking every back. Basically, you want the media off your back. Question number 7. Why was Vikas Dubey shifted, or was he from one car to another? Now, a TUV is actually much lighter to lift because remember, if you're on a flat road, how does a Mahindra vehicle just turn turtle? I mean, these are stable, sturdy vehicles. They don't just turn turtle in the middle of a flat road. So, how did that happen? I want to take you through all the conspiracies and all the questions that are being asked, and then we'll kickstart our big debate.
A dramatic arrest and a stunning encounter, all in less than 24 hours. Conspiracy theories swirl about Don Vikas Dubey's theatrical end. India Today's team of reporters were tracking Vikas Dubey from Ujjain to Kanpur. While the gangster was seen travelling in a Tata Safari till about half an hour before the encounter, the car that overturned was a Mahindra TUV. Police says Dubey tried to flee after the accident. But why were the cars swapped? That too, just before the encounter. Strangely enough, the India Today team was stopped at a Kanpur toll booth at around 6:38 a.m. Around half an hour later, at 7:12 a.m., the Mahindra TUV was found overturned, and it was revealed that Dubey had been killed in an encounter. Then the gangster was wheeled into Kanpur's Halat Hospital at 7:44 a.m. There were bloodstains on Dubey's chest. 4 policemen were also injured in the encounter, but they were brought to the hospital at 12:14 p.m., nearly 4 hours later. Why the delay, if they were all injured at the same spot? Another glaring discrepancy. If the Don was trying to flee and running away from police, how are there bullet injuries in his chest and not at the back? Even at the hospital, there are 2 contradictory versions. UP police claims that Vikas Dubey succumbed to injuries. The doctor in charge, however, claims the Don was brought dead.
वो पुलिस टीम पे फायर करने लगा। पुलिस द्वारा आत्मरक्षार्थ जवाबी फायरिंग की गई। उपरोक्त विकास दुबे घायल हो गया, जिसे तत्काल ही इलाज हेतु अस्पताल ले जाया गया, जहां इलाज के दौरान उसकी मृत्यु हो गई।
जब वो डॉक्टर साहब यहाँ पर आया था तो मृत था या पहले?
वो ब्रॉड डेड थे, यहाँ पे जो है ब्रॉड डेड थे।
Vikas Dubey's killing has raised more questions than answers. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.